Hey guys, I'm making 2 soups. I'm making one beer soup and one goulash soup. The beer soup is heavy cream and beer. Doesn't sound that great, but that tastes really good. The goulash soup comes with peppers, potatoes, and really fine tri-tip. I clean all the tri-tip so it's not as chewy. I just use all my herbs up here and love. Can't really get the soup anywhere else. I mean, I flew over to Europe to learn them, so I like them myself, and one cook told me if you like it, everyone else is going to probably like it too then. So. On a normal batch of goulash, we usually use 15 pounds of shredded up onions. I try cooking 2 things at once so I don't waste my time because we have so much going on usually. I used to work at a restaurant hotel named Saka Hotel. It's one of the fanciest restaurants in Austria. People pay like $700 to $10,000 a night to stay there. I learned multiple techniques of how to cut meat, cook meat, different sauces, and I met different people over there because everyone from around the world wants to work over there, so I made some cool friends as well. Bringing a smile to someone after they eat what I cook. I never really thought I was going to be a cook. I got to learn everyone's job. But I enjoy it. It reminds me of my family cooking too, because I'm from Europe, so my grandma always cooked, I always watched, I always helped. And now I actually know what I'm doing. Most of my family's from Austria. I have 6 aunts and uncles and a bunch of cousins. We come from the farmland, I don't know, we cook a lot of food, grow our own food, and we don't waste food either. All these cut-offs that I'm cutting off right now, I'm gonna make meat strudel out of, which is like our tri-tip American meat pie. And I cut off a little bit more meat so that it's not just fat for the other dish. So when the goulash is finally completed, it's something that you can't stop eating after you're full. It's mostly just onions and different Austrian German seasonings that the American palate isn't used to. Make sure you can come down to Old World and try my goulash and let me know how you like it.